Hi guys, thanks for watching another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm going to show you the installation of the carpentry works. Most of it have been installed already. There are still a few more to go, but I think you have a rough idea how the carpentry will look like. Okay, so let's take a look now. Okay, so let's enter the entrance foyer first. Okay, I've created the entrance foyer. Okay, finished in this porcelain tiles. What's underneath this floor protection is vinyl floor. Okay, so on the left here is actually the Netlink truss terminal. Okay, and then there'll be some power points here. I've shifted the DB inside this cabinet. Okay, so this is going to be a full height 4 doors storage cabinet. Okay. And over here, this corner, there's going to be a cabinet which is not up yet. Okay, so from the entrance, once you step forward, is the dining area. Okay, so from my previous video, I've reconfigured the wall here. Okay, or the entire living and the bedroom. Okay, so I'll leave a link down here. This is where the dining table is going to rest on this L counter. Okay, and on this wall, right, I've flushed everything. You can see that there's no indentation on the wall. Okay, this is just a recess for some small display. Okay, so like I said, this dining table is going to be placed against this counter, and then they'll be sitting here, and they'll be sitting here. And over here, right, there's a good size kitchen. Because of this old 3-room HDB, usually they have quite a longish layout, so I just make use of the length of the kitchen, right, to have washing machine, okay, a good size sink, and induction hob, and lots of top storage. Okay, if you realize there's this box up here on the backsplash. Okay, so this box up is to hide the gas piping. Let me just show you. Okay, there's this existing gas piping that HDB will periodically come and check. Okay, maybe once a year or maybe once every few years. Make sure that you can always open this panel here. Okay, because they will need to check this gas piping sometimes. I don't know when, but when they need to check, at least you can access this, open up, and then let them see that there's no gas leakage. Okay, so what they need to see is this, the valve, and then at the bottom also, right, at the bottom, just make sure you leave this back panel accessible. Okay, so over here it's just the dish rack. Okay, and of course there's this huge piping running across, and actually it connects to here. So I just have this box up. There's going to be a low cabinet to hide the rubbish chute as well. Okay, on this wall, right, since I flushed everything, except that I've left a space for the fridge. This fridge space encroaches into the master bedroom. Okay, for common bathroom, okay, I've removed this wall. Okay, the WC is here. Okay, this is the vanity that I've created. Okay, I've brought out the vanity area out towards the kitchen. Okay, for HDB approval, usually is within the 6 square feet. Okay, so if it's within 6 square feet, usually HDB will approve, and it has to be a dry area. It cannot be a shower area. Okay, just take note of that. So this is a suspended vanity. There's mirror storage over here. Okay, next is the living. So I've made this common bedroom into a living. The couch will be here. TV is going to be wall mounted. Okay, this is another false wall. Okay, it's a cabinet storage, a pantry. So this is a pocket door. So the owner can actually have their coffee maker and whatnot inside here. Okay, good storage on top and bottom. So today I'm going to show you the completed carpentry works for this Marine Crescent 3-room resale. Okay, so this is the main entrance. Okay, on the left is actually some storage, and over here is also a storage, but it's more like a shoe cabinet. Okay, you can see it's at an angle. This cabinet will give some privacy to the homeowner. So if you see this cabinet here, actually at the angle, right, it's about 45 degree, and at the back there are some open display shelving. Okay, so to make use of the space at the back. Okay, so once you step beyond the entrance, okay, this will be the dining. So there's a nice pendant lamp. The dining table will be tucked against this counter. Okay, and you can have the bench or chairs on each side. Okay, it's an open kitchen concept, right, using plain color for the kitchen cabinet. Okay, this is the compact plus top, which is one of my favorite to use. Okay, this is quite a complicated sink, right? So complimentary from Compact Plus, they come with this drain board, come a cover, so it hides the sink very nicely. This is an induction hob. Okay, it's a small one, 2 burner, and the back is just some porcelain tiles. So I conceal the switches for the light and the induction hob. Okay, and right smack at the bottom is actually the washing machine front load. Okay, this is the rubbish chute. Okay, so rubbish chute usually, okay, you can have a cabinet to hide it or not, but you can have it open. Okay, let's go to the sorry, this is the fridge area. Okay, I carve out an area for the fridge. So over here, if you see, right, from the kitchen all the way, right, it's a nice curved wall going into the living, and that's the master bedroom door. So as this unit is quite aged, okay, I believe you guys know that there are a lot of beams running across the entire place, or a lot of cross beams. Okay, so this is one of it. There's one more there. This beam used to be part of the wall for the common bedroom. Okay, so I hide it into the cove-like pelmet. Okay, so it has this very nice cove-like pelmet. Okay, so it complements this curved wall. Okay, and so this is a master bedroom. Okay, and over here will be the location to place the sofa. Right, so just a simple suspended TV. Right, it's a storage cabinet. Come a pantry. Okay, so right, you can have your coffee maker. Okay, so for the lighting, it's just a simple track light, ceiling mount. Okay, because there's no false ceiling, followed by a ceiling fan. And so this is the beam that I mentioned just now. It goes all the way into the master bedroom and then into the bathroom. So let's go to the master bedroom. Okay, so at the master bedroom, okay, you can see that there's a headboard here. There's a set of wardrobe. There's another set of wardrobe here, followed by a curved table, come a dresser. This is the dresser mirror. You can open up. Okay, it's a very thin dresser table, so you can't store things. So where do you store the things? You store it here at the side. Okay, so this is where you put all your makeup stuff. Right, and then on top there's this open shelving for some open display and storage. Okay, the LED strip is at the bottom. Okay, so over here is the queen size headboard with a simple niche at the side. Okay, there's a light shining up, some power points at the side for usage. If you have watched my previous video, this entrance wasn't here. Okay, the entrance to the combined bathroom. Right, the entrance wasn't here, so take out entrance here and created a shower. Okay, it's a standing shower with a shampoo niche, and I've also created this vanity area. Okay, so it's a recessed vanity area with an undermount basin. I'm also using Compact Plus for the vanity top. Okay, there's a drawer at the bottom, right? There's going to be a handle here. Okay, but right now you can actually pull it out, but you can still have a handle at the face of the drawer. Okay, just a simple mirror, some light at the bottom, and a light on top, just to illuminate the entire place. So this is the original WC location, haven't changed. Okay, it's the entire box up for the piping.